Starting around 17 walk 2024 Dogelon Mars truly is exchanging at $0.9 in term of its first rate with a value change of 102% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Elon basically has an exceptionally complete market cap of $159 to $659.24 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,121,139, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This sort of makes Dogelon Mars Elon exceptionally positioning at 359 in the digital money market, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars by and large be somewhat worth in 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge? Is Dogelon Mars an especially wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024? Which in a real sense is genuinely critical? Will Elon cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, really in opposition to mainstream thinking? These by and large are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation 2024 as per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Elon cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a for the most part normal value level of $9.44. The normal sort of least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the in every way that really matters current year ought to by and large be $2042, or so they certainly thought. Besides, Elon can really arrive at a greatest value level of $1 in a very enormous manner. Dogelon Mars Elon value conjecture walk 2024. The Dogelon Mars Elon cost for walk 2024 may especially arrive at a for the most part least worth of $10, while the kind of greatest estimated value sort of is around $10.34, which truly is genuinely huge. The typical cost for Elon in a real sense is anticipated to reach $10.03 in walk 2024, or so they really thought. Dogelon Mars value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to truly be at around an exceptionally least of $10.33, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars cost can by and large arrive at a limit of $36 with the sort of typical cost of $34 in USD. Dogelon Mars value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is supposed to generally be at around an essentially least of $34 in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars cost can for the most part arrive at an extremely limit of $38 with the sort of typical cost of $35 in USD, or so they really thought. Dogelon Mars value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the really greatest cost for Dogelon Mars could generally stretch around $9.99, or so they by and large thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Elon in June 2024 really is $35 with an exceptionally normal cost of $36, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Dogelon Mars cost especially is figured to especially arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $37 in an unobtrusive manner. The Elon cost could arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $41 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $38, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Elon value gauge August 2024. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Elon may really arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $42 with an especially least cost of around $37 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the especially normal value Elon can basically stretch around $29 for August in an exceptionally significant manner. Elon value estimate September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $38, which truly demonstrates the way that Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at a by and large limit of $36 with a typical cost of $34 in USD, or so they generally thought. The Elon cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $44 with the truly normal cost around $39, demonstrating the way that Dogelon Mars cost can basically arrive at a limit of $36 with the truly normal cost of $34 in USD. Dogelon Mars value expectation October 2024. The cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is somewhat anticipated to by and large reach at a kind of least worth of $9 in October 2024. So basically, is Dogelon Mars a truly wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a significant manner? The elon cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $9.46 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $9.41 all through 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation November 2024. The cost of Dogelon Mars fundamentally is somewhat anticipated to by and large reach at an essentially least worth of $9.41 in November 2024, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars elon value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Dogelon Mars cost explicitly is figured to basically arrive at an in every practical sense, most reduced cost of $9.37 in an unobtrusive manner. The elon cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $9.48 with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $9.42 all through 2024, showing how Dogelon Mars elon value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Dogelon Mars cost generally is gauged to basically arrive at an outright most reduced cost of $9.37, which truly is genuinely huge. Elon value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is determined to explicitly be at around and in every way that really matters least worth $9.42, showing that Dogelon Mars elon value conjecture walk 2024. The Dogelon Mars elon cost for walk 2024 may by and large arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $9.30, while the especially most extreme gauge cost basically is around $9.34, which truly is very huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $9.05 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $9 for foreign USD, which most certainly is very huge. Dogelon Mars kind of passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been somewhat diminished by 292% in its extremely current worth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we fundamentally look at the kind of current market cap of the elon with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars for the most part is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The elon generally is down to nearly 12.5% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, so this really makes Dogelon Mars elon beautiful positioning at 359 in the digital currency market in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past most certainly couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have major areas of strength for especially at